Hi friends, good morning. Long ride from Howrah. We have started from our new town home. Right now we crossed Kharagpur, the highway. I made this for safety. This is a setup, temple setup. Ah. We have just stopped at Vishal Dawa, and there's my family sitting there, getting my chai. This bacha, he's tired, sleeping whole the road, whole the way he's sleeping, getting disturbed. We are having the breakfast. Dal de diye okay. We just started uh, to climb the, climb not on the road towards the mountains. We just saw this lake, something Damna lake I think. Very nice, very nice. This is the top view. We came here by mistake, but sundar hai. After riding around 392.5 kilometer, we reached our homestay. Like not good. And also for a single night, it's work. It work. Ajhodhya Jungle Resort. That's our room. Ah yes, I have done this one. Motul 8040, 80, 80, 90. Chain looping because it is necessary. মোবাইল ফেলবি নি বেটা ভালো করে বলবি করছে তো চালিয়েছে করিস না মাঝে মাঝে আমি ঘুরাবে হ্যাঁ কিন্তু আপনি পড়ে যাবে নাহলে অনেক নড়ে তোমার আবার ভয় পড়ে যাবে পড়ে যাবে একটা হাত দিয়ে ধরো ওইদিকে দেখাও ও ও আইডিয়া জানি পাতলা রাস্তা এই দেখ পাতলা রাস্তা ভয় লাগছে
ভয় লাগছে একটা চাবি যদি একদম ধাক্কা খাই না একদম টিপে পড়বে
এদিকে টান ঢুকে যাবে দেখ তেমন দেখা যাবে
পুরো এখানে একটু ব্রেক করবে রে একবার যদি ফোন পড়ে না একদম পুরো একদম ফেটে একদম পড়ে যাবে
সংঘর্ষ Go. from there. Start. Okay. Second day, we stood here. Our room was right over there. Chalo. This Chotu is going to order. খালি খাওয়ার জিনিসের নামগুলো জানে, ঠিক আছে? We are at Palasi Blossom Cafe and the food is awesome. Very tasty food. We have got the veg thali. Here we get this one, matar paneer. This is aloo. What? Like aloo? Aloo posto. And this is mushroom. This is dal and rice. We got so many of items, and the food is awesome. Very tasty. And they gave us types of mushroom. What we say? This is mushroom achar. This is mushroom chutney, and this is kasundi. And we took this one kasundi and some pineapple jam. They homemade. Those are homemade. Total of 843.1 kilometer we have completed from Ajhodhya, Kolkata to Ajhodhya, Ajhodhya to Maithon. Condition is not that bad. It's all okay. See, this is the end of the road, end of the trip.